Hello friends, today I am making this video on how to make the round one of heart, star and pineapple tablecloth. If you have any question, put it in comment. Round one of this project. Make a chain 5 foundation ring. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet on the 5th chain from hook. I just coiled the yarn tail so that I can crochet over the tail and hide it. So chain 2, 1, 2, this counts as a single crochet. I mean a double crochet. And make a total of 16 double crochets around the ring. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And single crochet on the second chain. This aluminum hook, that's the same size as this steel hook, is not very easy to work with, and you can hear the sound of the hook rubbing against the yarn. And even though hooks are the same size, doesn't mean that will work the same way. I guess they're just like individual people. They have their own characteristics. But I'm trying this hook because it tends to catch on the yarn also, because this is kind of very sharp, and so the yarn is kind of catching onto that pointy crook of the hook, and you can hear the friction. Let me try it on this other steel hook. This one is very smooth. It really just glide on the yarn. So see how fast I can do it using this, because it is very smooth and the yarn doesn't catch. So I will highly recommend this crochet hook. This is size 3.25 millimeter, and it's a boy, B-O-Y-E, and I would highly recommend it for this work. It is important at this point to make sure that after making the round, to check that the work lays flat. Because if it doesn't, then maybe the ring is too big. Therefore, you can either change to a smaller hook or make your stitches tighter. So that is, I would recommend testing your crochet hooks first to see if you can achieve this flatness. After I finish a round, I will lay the crocheted piece flat and see if it's curling or if it's laying flat. If it's curling, then the stitches are either too loose or too many stitches. And if it's forming into a cup, then that means that the stitches are too tight. So this is very important so that the tablecloth lays flat and not bunching.